Hello there and welcome to EDU on Go. In this session, I am going to show you how you can launch your own school in minutes. Now, feel free to follow along, so at the end of the session, you will have your own school with your own logo, your own branding, the background image, and a subdomain. So let's get started. First, go to eduongo.com, then click on School. Here you get to set up the account info of the school administrator, which is going to be your account info. So I'm going to type in the first and last name, an email address, then hit continue. On the next step, you get to type in your school name. Now notice the subdomain gets written by itself. You can always go back here and change that. Once you're done, hit finish. This will take a few seconds to set up your school, and a snippet tutorial will show up. So here it says go ahead and create your first course, and it will show you how to get back to the desktop. So every time you log in now to your school, you will land into the desktop area. Here you will have snippet applications that you can manage your learning platform. Now I'll let you play around with the applications. We're just going to explore a few of them in this session. So let's get started with themes. This is where we're going to change the look and feel of the learning platform. So I've already gathered all of the assets for my academy. So I went and cropped the logo, the login logo, and the background image. Now notice there is a width and height for better resolution that you should crop your images under. So let's go ahead and pick a logo. And this is the logo left, which is this one up left corner. And I'm going to hit open the login logo, and I'll show you where that is located in a second. And the background image. Now you can also change the top bar color. I'm not going to change that, so I'm going to hit save. And here is the new look and feel of my academy. So if I go ahead and log out and click on the login button up right, now this is the login logo that I was referring to. So you have the entire learning platform with your own branding now. So let's go ahead and log back in. So I'll use the email that I set up when creating my account. And then hit login. Okay, I'm back now to the academy. Now you can play around again with the applications. If you'd like to change your profile image and write something about yourself, you can do that here. Now every time you enter an application, you can go back by hitting this icon up left corner. The next application I want you to explore is users. Here, as the admin of the account, you can add users, which is with the role teacher or student. So if you'd like to add your own teachers and assign them to different courses, you can do so. So I'll go back and go ahead and create one course. So if I click on all courses, here I get to create my own departments, my own faculties, new categories, and organize courses into different categories. So here I can click on create new category, and let's name this science. We can give some description here, and then hit save. Okay, I can go ahead and create a new course, which I'm going to put that under the science category. Now here's a course image that you can also assign, and that is the course image that will be assigned in the course catalog. So I'll leave that as is by default. There's a default image that it will pick up. Publish the course to the catalog, yes. Here's a sample course, an ID, some description, the term that the course will start at. You want to show the grades to student, yes. Now you have three different enrollment types. You have free of charge. What that means that anybody can access the course at any time from your course catalog. you can have a paid course, and once you hit paid, you will get to type in the amount that you'd like to charge users in order to access your course. So if I say $40 here, and then there is an enrollment period type. So that means that if you say yes, you get to pick the start and end date. When is this course enrollable? So I'll hit no, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch this to free of charge, and then hit save. Once you create the course, this will land into the course area. Here you have the navigation on the left side that you can customize if you click on this icon here at the top, and you get to deploy your course material under sessions. So simply just click on add session, and here is a get started session. I'll go ahead and disable the start and end date. Now every session you get to build that with the tools in here, which is the presentation page of a session. So I'll go ahead and create a slider real fast. If I click on create new slider, I get to pick between two different sliders, and here I'm going to say get started. Let's pick a background image for this slider. Slide 1. I'm going to add another slide, and here I'm going to say please read the following chapters. Now let me show you how an already made course looks like. So here's what I got so far, but I'm going to go ahead and just pull an already made course. So I'll go here, and let's go to one of our catalogs here. I'll log in. There we go. So here is a course that's already made up, and notice that each presentation page is set up much like a web page. You have the slider at the top that promotes the session, whatever you'd like to cover in that topic or that week. You have your multimedia content, your activities, some description at the bottom, and so on and so forth. Now we will have another session that will show you how to create a course from the ground up using EDU on Go within your own platform. So once you're done with your own school, you need to share your subdomain with others that you set up. So for example, if I had my subdomain saying myrealswitch.eduongo.com, this is your catalog of the school. Okay, and that'll be it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me directly at ridvan@eduongo.com. Enjoy.